Okay, today in this video I want to show off Android 4.2.2 Jelly Bean running on my Samsung Galaxy Note. This is the original Galaxy Note, and I want to show you Jelly Bean running on here through the ROM. It's called ParanoidKangDroid, which is obviously based off of ParanoidKangDroid. So I just want to show you a few of the little things that it does here. Okay, so one thing that's built in is these PI controls. So what that means is if you drag right up from the bottom down here, you can see it brings you the quick access to these different things, going back, home, recent apps, search, and going into settings. And so if I go into recent apps, settings, browser, Play Store, and doesn't matter where I'm at. If say I'm in my browser, okay, and I drag up from here, you can see how it brings up these PI controls where I can control anything really quickly here. Okay, so that's one part of ParanoidKangDroid. One other thing that I want to show you is you go into settings. There's a lot of different things that you can change, and a lot of different ways that you can customize in Paranoid. This is one of them, though. If you go into hybrid properties, this is one of the big things that it'll do for you. Is you can choose these different UIs, which is really different even than putting a theme on here. It completely changes the way it looks. Like for right now, I'm on the stock UI, which is just a phone UI, and you can see. Just for one thing, whenever I drag down notification shade here, it brings the whole thing down. But I'm going to put it into phablet UI here. I'm going to apply that. Okay, it's applied that. It's changed the DPI, dots per inch. And for one thing, it's going to make everything on it a little bit smaller than what it was before. Also, whenever I drag this down, you can see how it doesn't bring down the whole thing. It has a smaller drag down here. It's basically kind of taking it like in between a phone and a tablet UI, and so it gives you some different options there as far as that's concerned. I've got another video showing you how to load the other video I've got showing how to put just CyanogenMod 10.1 on here, but that video that I have can be used the exact same way, just using this different ROM. You would go through the video the exact same way, just using this one. And I'll put a link in the description to the developer on XDA that has brought this ParanoidKangDroid to the Galaxy Note. In my other video, I used JamieD81's version of CyanogenMod. This is JamieD81's version of ParanoidKangDroid, and so it's same developer. You can apply it the exact same way. Just choose this ROM instead, and you should be good to go. This thing is so smooth, very, very good, and I've just got into a few of the things here. There's all kinds of things that you can change here in Paranoid. Really, that's what Android is about, is being able to customize, and Paranoid has just taken that to the nth degree. They've really made it where you can customize this and make it look exactly like you want it. So I hope you enjoyed this video today. This is a very cool ROM, very useful. Can use in a lot of different situations. Hope you enjoyed it today. Thanks.